Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best command strip small is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone looking to organize, decorate, or simply hang items without the commitment of nails or screws, offering a damage-free solution that's incredibly versatile for apartments, dorms, and homes where flexibility and easy removal are paramount, making temporary changes feel permanent without the hassle. Number 5. Command Small Refill Adhesive Strips. Need to refresh your small indoor wall hooks? These strips are designed to replace existing ones, giving your hooks a fresh start. Each pack contains 20 white strips, ready for your next project. Say goodbye to holes, marks, and sticky residue. These innovative strips allow you to hang and rehang your items without any worries. Enjoy the freedom to rearrange your space whenever inspiration strikes. They adhere beautifully to a wide range of smooth surfaces. From painted walls and finished wood to glass, metal, and tiles, these strips provide reliable support. Transform any room with ease. For optimal adhesion, simply clean your desired surface with rubbing alcohol to remove any dust or grime. Ensure the indoor temperature is between 50 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Remember to wait 7 days after painting before applying them to allow the paint to cure. Avoid using them over beds or on wallpaper, and please do not use them for valuable items. When it's time to remove them, simply hold the top and slowly pull straight down towards the floor. This method ensures a clean removal, preventing any damage to your walls or surfaces. What we like? These strips are specifically designed for small indoor wall hooks, ensuring a perfect fit. They offer damage-free hanging, so you can redecorate without worry. If you are looking to refresh your indoor decor with small hooks and want to avoid wall damage, this is your ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. PHIXBEAR Damage-Free Hanging Refill Adhesive Strips. These innovative strips allow you to decorate and organize your space without any concerns. They adhere firmly to smooth surfaces, ensuring no holes, marks, or sticky residue are left behind upon removal. Featuring a strong self-adhesive design, they securely hold items up to 5 pounds. Installation takes mere seconds on various smooth surfaces like wood, glass, metal, and tiles, all without the need for drilling. Their fully sealed, non-porous structure effectively isolates water vapor. This makes them ideal for use in humid environments such as bathrooms and kitchens, and they perform reliably both indoors and outdoors. Removing them is incredibly easy and clean. Simply hold the top lightly and pull straight down towards the floor to prevent any wall or surface damage. No tools are required, helping to maintain your wall's pristine appearance. They help you effectively utilize vertical wall space, contributing to a more natural and comfortable home environment. These strips are perfect for organizing various items and make an excellent gift for loved ones. What we like? These strips boast a heavy-duty hold, capable of securing items up to 5 pounds. Their sealed and waterproof design makes them suitable for any environment. If you need a strong, versatile solution for both indoor and outdoor use, especially in humid areas, this product is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Command Indoor Small Replacement Strips. Introducing the Command Indoor Small Replacement Strips. This pack includes 64 white adhesive strips, perfect for your home and wall decor needs. They are designed for damage-free hanging. Reorganize whenever inspiration strikes. These strips make it incredibly easy to hang and rehang all your Command indoor hooks. You can adjust your decor without any hassle. Say goodbye to holes, marks, or sticky residue on your walls, doors, cabinets, or closets. They help keep your walls looking beautiful. Enjoy decorating without the worry of damage. These strips hold strongly on a variety of surfaces. This includes painted walls, metal, tile, glass, and finished wood. They provide reliable support for your small hooks. Each strip is designed to hold up to 1 pound. This makes them ideal for small hooks and lightweight decorations. They offer dependable support for your items. They adhere well to painted walls, metal, painted concrete, laminate, and finished wood. You can also use them on tile, glass, and other smooth surfaces. This versatility makes them perfect for various rooms in your home. What we like? This pack offers a generous quantity of 64 strips, ensuring you have plenty for multiple projects. They make rehanging your hooks incredibly easy, allowing for flexible organization. If you frequently redecorate or have many small hooks to manage, this bulk pack provides excellent value and convenience. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 2. Command small refill strips are 69D. Applying these strips is incredibly simple. Just peel and stick, and you're ready to hang your items in no time. Say goodbye to nails and holes. They allow you to hang decorations and organizers without leaving any marks behind. Don't let their size fool you. These strips hold strongly, keeping your items firmly in place on various surfaces. When it's time for a change, simply pull the tab. They remove cleanly, leaving no sticky residue or damage to your walls. Perfect for refreshing your command hooks or for new projects. They offer a clear, discreet way to organize and decorate your space. What we like. These strips are clear, offering a discreet look that blends seamlessly with any decor. They are incredibly easy to apply, making your decorating tasks quick and simple. If you prefer your hanging solutions to be virtually invisible and hassle-free, these clear strips are an excellent option. What people say. Number 1. Command outdoor foam strips. Introducing the perfect solution for your outdoor decorating needs. These strips are specifically designed to withstand the elements, ensuring your decorations stay put. Each pack provides a generous supply, giving you plenty of options for various projects. They are small in size, making them discreet and versatile for many uses. These are convenient refills for your existing command outdoor hooks. Simply replace the old strips to keep your items securely fastened. The foam construction provides a strong, reliable hold on a variety of outdoor surfaces. You can trust them to keep your items secure without damage. Engineered for outdoor environments, they resist rain, snow, and temperature changes. Enjoy hassle-free decorating all year round. This package contains 32 strips across 2 packs, providing plenty for multiple projects. You'll have enough to tackle all your outdoor hanging tasks. What we like. These strips are specifically engineered for outdoor use, designed to withstand various weather conditions. They provide a strong hold even in challenging exterior environments. If you are looking to decorate or organize your outdoor spaces, these weather-resistant strips are the reliable choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.